Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to all, and all to. Good morning, good morning. Hello, good morning. How are you? How's everybody doing? Do about right there. Hello, John Wood, Eric, Robert, BB, Bebo, Cheech, number one, Senpai. Welcome in. Hello, good morning. How's everybody doing? Digital Candy, Jay Williams, James Christopher, He, One Way, Jabrik. Good morning, good morning. Come on in. Have a seat. Let's have some fun. Bobby Mann, Emmanuel, Murfly. Hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Welcome back. Good morning. How's everybody doing today? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Greg, Chevy Dog, Rob, Robert, Anthony. Hey, Jab, welcome in. Glacier, good morning. Congratulations. Look for an email this weekend. I'm going to be sending that to our admin, Amy, and she'll get with you. So hang in there. Tap that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Santa's in the $980 long here. Want to see some buyers step in here and push this thing higher. Higher and higher. Let's let the buyer step in and push it higher and higher. Good morning, Andrew. Hello. Need to see the buyers step in and push it higher and higher. Welcome in. Good morning. It is the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Keep tapping that screen. I hope everybody had a good Christmas. Good morning, Mario. Hello. Want to see Santa get up and bring some more dough for show up the chimney, don't you know? Push it higher, all the way above 22,000 would be lovely. We'll see if we can get there. The NASDAQ on the futures market. NQ, the NASDAQ on the futures market. We need it to go up, 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 and away. Up and away above 22,000, please. And hold above there. Push it up, up, and away. Come on, you can do it. Push up, 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 and up, and away. Up, and away. $1,200 on Santa Long. Keep pushing the button. Tapping that screen, if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean, we're in a $1,200 long here. All right, that was a good little manual long there. Santa's still in at $1,200. Hope everybody had a fantastic Christmas. Speaking of sales and Christmas sales, hey, Ray, good morning. We have the flash sale, $300 for 2 weeks to try the standard algorithms is back in play until the end of the year. Also, the digital mentorship is back. Very good, Ray. How about yourself? Thank you. It's really good. Got to hang out with my boys. They spent the night last night. And they're with their grandma today, my mom, and then they go back to their moms. So, yeah, but it was good. Would be better if I could make some money today, though. Rough start to the morning, trying to bounce back. Down about 250 on all accounts right now, which is not good, but the market was really range bound and choppy this morning. I should have waited. I didn't catch the play. The digital mentorship is definitely worth it. That's on sale as well. Until the end of the year, you get $500 off the price of the digital mentorship. Come be a student. Come learn how to manually trade. Make $300, $400, $500 a day, whatever you want. Lassie, Johnson, Tristan, Pedro, Gangboy, welcome in. Nothing to see. Envies, hello. Right at that 22,000 level now on NQ. We got some new premium algorithms that are set up. They are fire. NQ early was 1 for 1. NQ high 5, 1 for 1. Santa is $1,100 in the green today so far. It's only hard when you pick the wrong direction, right? Like me. It seems like today I've just been picking the wrong direction on my trades. I don't know why. Might need to just get into the green today and take a day the rest of the week off or something. Rest of the year off. But I don't like ending red, so I'm going to be smart and try and pick my trades carefully here today. Try and get back into the green. Using some... I had to redo all my NinjaTrader stuff. I had to completely delete NinjaTrader and reload everything. And I lost a bunch of my levels, so it's hard to figure out where everything's at. All my settings and my indicators and all that I had to redo. But we're here. We're trading. We've got Santa up on the screen for you on TikTok. Not currently in a trade. We got a new visual product. It's called NQ Prop. It's over here. Oh man, this is way off. I'm sorry. You guys, like, what are you doing? I can't even see the price. There you go. That should be better. We'll see if Santa wants to get back into a trade here. I think it's just the volume might be down. Everybody's still off from Christmas. They might not be trading that much today because the volume's really low today. There's that pullback to that 75 level. We're going to go long above here. Come on, Santa. Run on up. Run, Rudolph, run, right? Come on, Santa. Oh, no. Looked like it was going to be a nice little run up there. Well, a mistake was made, folks. Is this live? Yeah, this is live. Push on up here. Santa is my favorite. Yeah, he can be good and he can be bad. He can be naughty and nice. Some days he's better than others. Today he's been doing really good, so we'll see if he continues his journey to the North Pole, bringing us lots of money instead of coal. Welcome in to anybody that's new. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern, as long as there's not a holiday. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. This is BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. If you want more information, please just email. We have a special sale going on right now if you want to try it out. $300 for 2 weeks of the standard algorithms. And then you can also get the digital mentorship if you want standard or manual alerts. We have standard alerts and premium alerts. Hey, good morning, Robert. Cool Clips, welcome in. Good morning. 1755 is what I show for Santa so far on the day. Should have just let him run on all my accounts, right? But no FOMO. Hindsight's 2020. You just gotta choose your battles wisely. So far, I'm down on the day, but the market's been tough. It's been a range-bound, choppy sideways action all morning long so far. So got some new premium algorithms, some new standard algorithms. We got all types of new strategies and settings. $500 for the first month or $300 for the first 2 weeks if you want to try it out. Then it's $1,000 a month for the standard algorithms. $1,500 for the premium. We have a lot of new premium algorithms. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. This is the Swag Show. Sit back, relax, grab some hot chocolate, some coffee, some tea, whatever you're drinking. I'm here 10:30 to 12:30 Monday through Friday. Follow me on all social medias just in case next year they decide to get rid of TikTok in the US. So I don't know, John, right now if Apex, I forgot to change that. I don't think they have the 80% off sale going on right now. I'm sorry, I forgot to change that in my heading, but it will give you the best discount that they have available right now. Sounds like it is good pre-market. Yeah, pre-market there was some big moves earlier this morning, late last night, I guess, whatever you want to call it. A big drop overnight from 22,080-ish all the way down to where we're at now, basically 21,950, 60. All right, Santa's in along here. Still kind of just moving sideways. I'm trying not to get trapped and take too many trades here. I'm not trading right now manually. I'm letting the algorithms do their work. So we'll see what happens. Let me look over here at NQ range and see what they're saying. Very, very tough, choppy, sideways action this morning, but good morning. Thank you for being here. How was everybody's Christmas? AP, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for being here. $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that. Also, right now, a special flash sales Christmas special. $300 for 2 weeks. If you want more information, email us. I should have a link in my link tree for that. On TikTok. Not a whole lot of volume going on this morning. People must have stayed in bed the day after Christmas. Robert says he had a good Christmas. That's awesome. I'm glad everybody, I hope, had a good one. Hopefully, no family feuds. Captain Stack, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. What special you running? $1,000 for our digital mentorship. It's $500 off the normal price. The digital mentorship comes with 6 hours of videos, gets you access to the student group, the morning Zoom call, the student play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, along with some manual alerts and other goodies that comes along with that. That's good until the end of the year if you want to take the digital mentorship. Otherwise, we have a flash sale special, $300 for 2 weeks of the standard algorithms, or $500 for the first month. And then it's $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. Otherwise, you can also get the premium algorithms. They're $1,500 a month. And those sales are going on until the end of the year. So take advantage of them while you can. If this is your first time tuning in, hi. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I am your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. What's a reasonable amount to expect a cash account to grow each month in terms of percentage? So if you had, let's say, a $10,000 cash account, right? Safely, you would be able to probably get 30% ROI. We could set you up with a micro-strategy game plan that's projected to win around $4,000 a month. So easily you should be able to make, 200, 300 a day, which would be around 4,000 a month. I mean, it all depends on if you're using strictly the algorithms or if you're manually trading on top of that. But with the algorithms, you should be able to make roughly at least between 3,000 and 5,000 a month, depending on which ones you run. 11 o'clock candle opens and reverses. Algo, strictly algos, yeah. So it all depends on the size of your cash account, but is I'd say at least 25%, 30% return on your investment each month. And that's going small and taking a very conservative approach with low risk. On a few of the strategies and algorithms, yeah, there would be one mini, but most of the time it's just micros, just to build up slow and steady. But we could talk about that and see what your risk is and how much you're willing to risk per strategy, per trade, and all that. But a very conservative micro approach would be best suited for most people. So, like I said, it all depends on your cash account size. So, Black Pearl, welcome in. Scott Crosby, yes, good morning. Yes, only on NinjaTrader, correct. How long will the sale last for 500 for the first month? Probably quite a while. We like to give the introductory price for that. But the $300 for 2 weeks, that's only going to last until the end of the year. So, are you in MD as well? What's MD? I would start with 10 and see what happens, Jessica, honestly. There's no need to put in more unless you're looking to make more, you know. But a nice, slow, steady plan on a 10K account would be two or at least 2,500. I'm roughly saying, and that's conservative. Running 3 or 4 strategies. Oh no, I am not in Maryland. Nope, I'm in Illinois. A 50K cash account to make 10K a month. Uh, no, all you need to do is make 500 a day to make 10K a month. And you can make 500 a day on a $10,000 account. Just, I mean, just as easy as a 50K, I guess. Do you have multiple bots on a day on same account? Yeah, Captain, yep. So I run usually 2 or 3 strategies um, per account, and they differ. So if I have 6 or 7 accounts, I'll have three accounts run the same plan, and then I'll have 2 or 3 plans. So that's like 6 different algorithms running across the day. Paranoid Lloyd, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. But yeah, Jessica, that's ridiculous. You don't need 50,000 to make 500 a day. You can very easily make 500 a day on a $10,000 account. All you would have to do is run two or three algorithms that made you around that much each day every time they win. So we've got a bunch of new premium setups as well. Bunch of new standard algorithms. We've got about 10 different algorithms, 40 different strategies. So yeah, maybe that person doesn't quite understand. I don't know what the futures market is, but see if it's going to hold above this 22,000 level on NQ here. It is 11:07 a.m. December 26th, the day after Christmas. Thank you guys for being here. I hope everybody had a blessed and friendly family Christmas. What up, Burberry? Today I'm not up. I'm down 300 for some reason. I'm not focused. I'm picking the wrong direction or not getting good entries, and I'm getting stopped out. I don't know if I need to adjust my stop loss or what, because it's like as soon as I get stopped out, it reverses and goes back the direction that I was in originally. But I'm down 300 on all my accounts so far, so not too good. But the algorithms are doing great. I should have just let them run. I'm talking about my manually trading algorithms. NQ early 1 for 1 for 100. NQ high 5 1 for 1 for 200. Santa is green 1500 on the day. NQ visual longs in a trade here. Let me try and pop that over while we wait on Santa. Got in at 21,999. What an entry, right? 21,999.25. We'll see if. Why is it called Santa? Because we discovered it, I guess 2 years ago now, in December, and we just kind of came up with that name. And it's like a scalper algorithm. So that's just the nickname for it. It seems to do better in the fourth quarter, like during December, January, all that. Are those the standard algorithms? Which ones? The ones I'm showing? Santa is a standard, yes. Visual long is a premium. So having a hard time breaking this 2210 level. We'll see if it can do it here and continue up. Just going to keep pushing up. I mean, is there volume for it today? I don't know. Got a new high so far. Thank you guys for all the likes, the shares, the follows. I appreciate you being here. Up 200 on NQ Visual Long now. think I've got the... There it goes. All right. I didn't see the candlestick moving. I was worried that I didn't have it in the screen. Is Forex make you rich? No, I don't trade Forex. Only the futures market. No crypto, no Forex, no options, no stocks, no meme coins, none of that. I strictly trade the futures market. And I am not rich. I have an ex-wife. That should explain it all, right? Jock, welcome in. Thank you for being here. We're going to try and see if we can get into a long here. Can you speak to how the bots work with prop firms? Any users of the bots that use? Yeah, all of them, just about, Jessica. I'd say 90% of the members of the BoldBot family use prop firms and take withdrawals from such prop firms using the algorithms, just strictly the algorithms. So all of our algorithms are within the prop firm rules and guidelines for consistency, especially the risk to reward and all that. Now, it would be up to you as far as how much you make each day to stay within a consistency guideline. So if it's 20%, you need to stay within. Once you make around that same amount each day, you would need to monitor it and just probably shut it off. But if you're running the same algorithms every day, you know, the projected win rate is going to be the same each day. They're only the premium algorithms are going to have fluctuating results, bigger results. The standard ones will be making you the same amount each time they trade, basically. So you're going to do the 500 trial? All right, sounds good, Black Pearl. There's also a flash sale for 2 weeks for 300 if you wanted to do that. You finally got your cash account to 3.5. There you go. Next year, going to micro plan it? Yeah, for sure. That's what I'm doing. But sometimes I size up and take 2 or 3 losses, and then I'm frustrated for the day, and I need to shut it down. But that's all right. You win some, you lose some. But you live to fight another day, right? You win some, you lose some, but you live to fight another day. So we'll see if NQ wants to continue up here. What's ES doing? ES looks like it's moving up still. Yeah. And that's all you got to do. Make like 200, 300 a day, Burberry, and use the first 1K for the bots to pay for that. And then use half of what's left to fund your cash account. And then use that other 25% to buy prop firm accounts with it. So you can steadily grow and get more and more prop firms. Apex and TraderFi are the goals for me. Cash and props. I'd only want to make 100 to 300 a day. Yeah, and that's a great goal. That's my goal. That's what my goal is set at as well, Jessica. So, and I have TraderFi. I busted 2 of them actually. I'm pissed about it, but it's my own fault. And then I do have 4 Apex PAs right now. I'm trying to pass a top step and I'm trying to pass a take profit. So, and a cash account. But you need 20 to 40, 150 Ks. Yeah, that would be lovely. Uh, Tradeify now, they only give you five. You can only get five of them, but still, 550K accounts, you could easily make, 500 a day on that size account, especially with the end of the day drawdown. So that's 2,500 a day you could be making with the straight to funded Tradeify account. And then if you had 20 Apex accounts and you made even $100 a day on each one of them, that's 2,000 a day. And yeah, it's going to take you a little bit of time to build up a buffer to where you can withdraw it. But if you're okay with that, by the end of the year, you're going to have a shit ton of money sitting in all those accounts. Let's just figure you made $100 a day. That's 2,000 a month. That's 24,000 a year. Now multiply that by 20, right? So you're looking at what? 88,000? More than that. I can't do math. My head's broke right now. All right, so 24,000 times 20 equals, that's 480,000 a year. Just for making $100 a day times 20 accounts. NQ later's in a trade. Let's see. Yes, it is. NQ later is in a trade. Shall we join the party and root for our success? It's just not a lot of volume. I'm scared to get in here. It's been a lot of sideways action here. Yeah. Jessica, that makes perfect sense. Yeah, but that's not the end of the world, Burberry. I mean, yeah, you have to make a profit target, but it's really not that big if you look at it, especially on a 150K account. Let's push up here for the folks that are in NQ later, and for me in this manual trade. Kind of following along with NQ later here. We want it to go up. We'd like to see it hit 22,030. That would be nice. 22,040 would be even better. We'll see if we can reach 22,040. Get on up. Yep, I got stopped out. Well, I got stopped out on my manual trade there. Should have waited for the pullback to get into it. Yeah, just to pull back, hopefully trying to get some more buyers here. Hopefully it's just a little pullback trying to get some more buyers here. Do you just like to trade, or is there a benefit in manually trading along with the algos? There's a benefit because once you learn what you're doing and you actually can learn to read the market and learn how to manually trade, you can make a lot more money. But you can also lose a lot more if you're wrong. But you can usually make up if the algorithms take a loss. Um, you can make that up. So, yeah, I didn't make that one up. I don't know why this rhythmic puts me in the opposite direction trade. That's crazy. Santa caught it. Why didn't we just follow Santa? Big drop. Oh man. Like I said, some days you can't win for losing. Out of nowhere, all these sellers step in and pull this thing all the way back down to 21,975. It's crazy. It's a 225 point drop. on one candle. Right? No. 25-point drop. What am I? Man, I told you my brain isn't functioning. That's probably why I'm losing today. I'm not functioning properly with my math skills today at all. So 11:30, almost. $500 on Santa here. He's green 1,300 on the day. Should have just been trailing him all day long. All right. Santa's out. Let's see this thing run all the way back up to the moon here. All the way up to 22,020. That'd be nice. Just run it all the way back up here to 22,020. 22,020. That's what we want. Run it all the way up. There's Santa finally getting in. I mean, that's a good sign. Let's see if it can push all the way back up here to 22,020 and get us halfway back home. I'm on micros on a manual on all my accounts here. Need to see it push up above this 22,010 and then all the way up to 22,020. See if we can get there. Push. Oh, stop it with this TikTok nonsense with your inactivity bullshiznit. Got to get up above 22,200 or 22,010. All right, we're above 22,000. Now we need to just keep pushing up to the moon, Alice. Keep pushing all the way up here. Push up. That would be so lovely to get half of my losses back in this one trade. Just push all the way up to 22,025 then. Keep going. Come on. I got in at the perfect entry. I'm long at 21,978. Keep tapping that screen. Keep pushing. Keep pushing up here. Get above this 2210 and hold. Just push all the way back up. Buy it all back. That was just a liquidity sweep. That drop was just a liquidity sweep to try and capture all those longs, stop them out. We got in at the bottom, right at 21,978 is where I'm long from. I'm green. This is my manual trade over here. Santa, come on, push up. Just keep pushing up here. 22,000. Get up above. Get up above it. Don't stop it out here. Keep going. Keep going up. There you go. Keep pushing up. $22,020 is what we want to see here. Push up. Push up, push up, push up. All right, I got stopped out. Got back $245. It's all right. And Santa's out. All right. That was a good trade. We got in right at the bottom of the drop there at 21,978 and took it all the way up. Got out at 22,009. So I got most of that. Who won your giveaway? Trusty Trand and Glacier. Trusty Trand and Glacier. I will be doing another one next year for New Year's. So if you're on the list and you were on the list, I'm going to keep everybody on the list. So stay tuned next year and I'll be doing another giveaway. But thank you, Marvin, for being here. Longtime supporter of the channel. I appreciate you. All right. Another drop here. Another pullback. You don't want to really call it a drop. You want to call it what it is, which is just a pullback or a liquidity sweep. Try and get some of these longs out of their positions. And then we find more buyers down here. I got in right at the right time on that one. Made back most of what I've lost. So now I'm still down though for the day, but it's tough. It's a tough game we play sometimes. But NQ is way up here. I mean, this is... The high was 22,109, maybe 22,110. So it's been up here before. You know, it just don't know if it's going to continue to get up as high as it was. So we'll see here. What is all this stuff on my screen? No, I don't want markers. I don't want to plot anything. Apply. It's annoying. All right. NQ Visual Long is in a trade here. Green, $80. Or wait a minute, this isn't. Is this the right one? Visual Long? Yeah. Okay. ES has to get above 6,095 and hold before, and there it goes. 6,094.25. So yeah, and it's too far up here for me to take another one, unfortunately. I would like to get back, but it's all right. Riders, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. I just feel like it's too far up here for me to take another trade right now. Even though it could run all the way back up, you never know. I just don't see it on the volume side of things that it's going to be able to push. I think we caught our big push there. NQ later, almost back to entry point. What else is in a trade? Visual long, Oracle gas, Oracle silver, NQ later, NQ new range is in a short, unfortunately. Yeah, that's unfortunate if you ran NQ new. But NQ later is in a long here. And it's back to even on NQ later, so have faith. Hopefully it'll push all the way up to 22,040 here. All right, so we're back to even on later. We'll see if it can push all the way up to 22,040. Hopefully, if you're in it, it will. It just doesn't look like a lot of volume getting above these 22,000s to go much higher. So be careful. Might get a push here. We'll see. Some buyers are finally going to step in above this 22,020 level. Mustafa, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Green now on NQ later. Green on NQ visual long. Green on NQ day waves. Where did NQ day waves get in at? Let's see. It got in at 22,008 and just guaranteed profit there. So maybe. I'd love to take a trade with you. I'm trying to pass my funded right now on Top Step. Or what prop firm are you trying to pass on, Mustafa? if you could have got in at 22,006, you're up $300. 15 points. Ugh. Yeah, Top Step. Okay. I have one of their accounts as well that I'm babying. I don't know. I think I only have I don't have much left before I need to reset it. Let's put it that way. In at 22.12. All right. Well, there you go. That's 10 points. There's 12 points. There's 13 points, 14 points, 15 points. That's pretty good move if Burberry. I should have got in it. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? Now, let's see if this, how far this is just going to rocket. I love my Wi-Fi. Come on, NQ later. Get on up. Get on up there for the people on the NQ later. Trust in the algorithms. 22,038 is what we need to lock in that profit over there. Do we buy here? Do we just go ahead and buy? I don't know. It's a big move up. Where's all this coming from? Of course, if I buy now, it's going to drop, so I'm not going to buy because that's what it always does to me. So close for NQ later. You can move your stop loss up if you want. Halfway, lock in some profit. Who won the giveaway? Trusty Trend and Glacier. Trusty Trend and Glacier. Greg Glover, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. But have no fear, I will do another one next month for New Year's. We need 5 more points here for NQ later, people. This might go all the way to 50. You never know. So close to hitting target on later. Like I said, you could have locked in half your profit there just in case this pulls all the way back. Gavin Ashley, welcome in. Cash on live account 450. There you go. TP, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Lock it in. Swag it out. Take your profits and be done for the day. Come back tomorrow. Burberry's part of the BoldBot family. He joined. Had to close NQ later for it. That's all right. Better to take profit than to give it away. Rima to Total, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Ah, the Griffey. Ooh, the rose smells so good. Thank you very much for the gift, man. I appreciate it. Can I work and trust use the bot? Yeah. Yep. You could turn it on the night before you go to sleep, and then you can go to work the next day and then come back at the end of your work day and just check and see what it did. Yeah, it's sometimes it's frustrating. That's why you shouldn't be watching the algorithms. You just got to trust in them, but if you can watch them, it's good sometimes just to take your profit and be done if you want to do that as well. So it doesn't know what it wants to do here. All right, I'm gonna cancel my order. It doesn't know what it wants to do. I'm canceling and I'm not taking the chance. I'll just have to be happy being down when I'm down. Raider, welcome to the Swagginator. Just mount up. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. There's over 40 different strategies. How do you know which ones to use? We give you kind of a game plan, a walkthrough. We call it the micro strategy game plan, and then you can choose and select from there. But there's only 40 if you get the premium algorithms. Um, if you only get the standard, there's not that money. There's not that many. So my fear is my work schedule. Can you or anyone speak to that or challenges I face? I work 55 hours. Yeah, so Jessica, as long as you can enable the strategies in between 5 and 6 p.m. Eastern time each day, um, then that's really all you have to do. Before you go to bed or in between that time, if you're not going to run any overnight settings, you can do it when you get home to run the next day. Um, if your work allows for you to use remote desktop and you can log into your VPS, we recommend getting a VPS and you can do it that way. I know a lot of people do that. They just remote in from their work and they can look at it from there. But if your work doesn't allow that, then you would have to do it before you go to bed. But bulk, so yeah, we help you come up with a game plan that suits your account size and stuff like that. Kind of tempted, but not gonna do it. Not gonna take it. So just lose too much today. Oh, NQ later was so close, and now it's almost back to even. It was literally within 2 points. Call me crazy, but I just see a lot of earning potential here with this community. Glad I found it. Yeah, Jessica, for sure. There's people in here making thousands of dollars a month for sure. We have about 130 members. About 130 members of the BoldBot family. Let's see, what's Santa doing? Santa's in a short here. We don't want this short. We want the long. This is NQ Day Waves. It's one of the premium algorithms. Green $350, 330, 350, 360. Yeah, that's a great plan. That's what a lot of people are starting to do. If you make 3,000 a month, you put 1,000 for the bot. You put 1,000 into your cash account, and the other 1,000 you just buy prop firms with. That way, you're still building your buffer on your cash account, and you're able to buy prop firms and pay for the algorithms. And 3,000 a month, all you would need to make is 150 a day. So it's a slow and steady process. That's where sometimes people don't understand. When they sign up, you have to be able to withstand the ups and the downs and give it the whole month to work itself out and average itself out. But But that's a great plan. That's what a lot of people are doing. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. This is the Swag Show, and it's almost noon. I think I have some Zoom calls today I need to do. Santa's in a trade here. Let's hop back over to Santa here. Oh, he's in that short. NQ Daywaves stopped out at 300 and some bucks. Let's see, 190. So NQ Daywaves that I was just showing you ended that trade green, $190. So if anybody was watching, and now Santa's out of that short. What else is in NQ later? Is almost at target here, couple points away, couple ticks away. It was so close, 50 bucks away from hitting target on later. That's the other thing too, is it's hard to stay into a trade for a really long time sometimes for me. Should I enter a short? I can't give you that information. I wish I could. Can you call me today? If you're part of the group, if you're not, just email Kalen. Welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Mustafa, I wish I could tell you, buddy, but I'm not allowed to give financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. But I would not fight the trend. Unless you see a definite reason why you should go against it, the trend is your friend. It's just going to be hard in between 22,026 to 22,050. It might shoot up here. It's kind of battling in that area, so be careful. But if you want more information, please just email the email that's on the screen, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. $300 for 2 weeks, or $500 for the first month, and then $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. Otherwise, $1,500 for the premium algorithms. We're 1-for-1 on NQ early, 1-for-1 on NQ high 5. NQ later is green 450, right 475, and it just hit target at 500. So congratulations to everybody who stuck in NQ later. It was 1-for-1 for 500, so that's $800 right there, just on 3 of the strategies. So if you want to know if you can make 500 a day just using the algorithm, one of the strategies just did that on one mini contract for you. So you got to be able to handle the losses, though, if it takes a loss. That's why we run it on micros. So even 2 micros, it would have just made you $100, right? So $100 is $100 is $100, right? Yeah, Trusty, give me until this weekend, okay? She wanted me to wait to send it out to my admin until this weekend. That way you'll get a full month starting like at the end of December or the beginning of January. But I haven't forgot about you, buddy. Yeah, micros definitely are slower, but they are safer. Like I said, you don't want to risk more than a certain percentage of your account each day. And it's a slow grind. It's just like clocking it at a normal 9 to 5 where you get paid an hourly rate. So I'm confused on the need for such a large cash account, 10K to 50K, if we're just going to run micros. Um, it's some of them, just because not all the strategies are going to run on micros. But for example, if you run 3 of the strategies, okay, and the max loss on a mini would be $1,000 if you ran a mini on one of the strategies, wouldn't you rather run it on micros instead of minis and have that buffer in case it takes a loss on, let's say, 3 of them all on the same day? And then instead of being out $3,000, you're only out, let's say, $500. It's, I know it doesn't kind of make sense until you, I don't know if I'm even explaining it the best, but risk management, basically. So yeah, no, it makes sense. I understand what you're saying. And yes, if it won, you would have made more, but the potential to lose more is also there if it took a loss. So I'm trying to give you the plan that's going to be more conservative and safer in the long run. And just like you said, try and hit your goal of 100 to 300 a day, where you're only risking maybe 800 a day instead of 3,000. So that's what I mean. So I hope that makes sense. So, for example, the NQ later that just won 500, you're risking 1,000 to win 500 on one mini. So if that would have taken a loss, you would have been down 1,000. Now, if you wanted to put that on one micro, you're risking 100. 2 micros, you're risking 200 to win 100. So it's safer, in my opinion, to do that than it is to run it on minis. But it's everybody has their own risk tolerance, and you can choose what you want to do. What you're watching right now is MNQ Gridlock. And I don't know if I even put this on the right chart, honestly. Now that I'm saying that. Okay, I guess I did. How does the bot work? Well, it's a fully automated trading algorithm. So you import the file into NinjaTrader, you set the settings up, you enable it, turn it on, and let it do its magic. If you want to trail it, you can. Otherwise, you just let it do its thing. What else is in a trade here? NQ Day Waves is back in another trade. This has been Gridlock. Let's put NQ Day Waves here in a trade. Put this on the screen here. Decent day, yeah, as long as you're green. Any day is a decent day as long as you're green. Green 105 on this NQ day waves. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30. I'll be back on tomorrow on Friday at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. If you want to join me then, please do. We'll see if more people are back from vacation and if there's going to be any higher volume tomorrow. All right, NQ Day Waves is done with that. Needs to break above 2250 here. And just push up to the moon. Push up to the moon, Alice. Too slow. Kyle, can you tell me a few steps what to do head start in the meantime? So, Trusty, get NinjaTrader 8, the newest downloaded. If you have a cash account with them, otherwise, you can get a free license with Apex, or I think Take Profit might give you the license for free as well. You can sign up for just one of their eval accounts to get the NinjaTrader license, and yeah, just get all that stuff downloaded. And but the other thing is, we recommend using a VPS, and it's called Chart VPS, that we're going to give you a discount code to. So you might want to wait to download it, because if you download it on your computer, then you're just going to have to re-download everything on the VPS. So, but if you have a NinjaTrader account set up already, you can always apply for that if you're going to use a cash account. You can just go to the NinjaTrader website and apply for a NinjaTrader account. See what I mean by don't fight the trend, Mustafa? No reason to take a short was given. It's continuing up here, so I hope you listened and did not take a short. You could just get one to start with, especially if they're not on sale. But if you use Swag Show as the code, you'll get your best discount on that. And 50K. Just get a 50K account with Apex if it's on sale. But if it's not on sale, you might want to just wait. All right, you didn't take it. Good. I'm glad. I hope maybe you took the long, but hindsight's 20/20, right? It's just continuing to push up here. Maybe it's going to try and go all the way back up and make a new high of 22,011. What? How am I in a trade here? I don't understand how I'm in a trade here. What is going on? Okay, I don't know what's going on, but it's putting me in naked trades right now, so I'm flattening everything. I don't know what's going on. It just put me in a naked trade. That was weird. All right, well, with that, I'm going to end the stream because it just put me in a naked trade all on its own, and I have no idea how or why, but I don't like it. Why it just did that, I have no idea. So, all right, folks, I'll be back tomorrow. Be humble, be kind, be loving, and I will see you mañana.